So in the blueprinting process, we take an initial estimate that's brought to us by the guest that the insurance company writes, and we work off of that estimate, looking for further damage that may be caused from the accident that's not visually, that you can't really see just by looking at the car. So we disassemble the car, look for further damage as far as frame damage, structural damage on the car, make sure that we look at every single little thing and gets repaired the correct way. We look at all the OEM procedures and make sure that the car is back to its original manufacturer standards. After inspecting the car, and for instance, if on a Tesla, there's structural damage on the vehicle, we can't structurally pull on the car, which means welding any kind of pieces of metal and pulling it with a spray machine in order to get the metal back to its place. That just weakens the metal. In doing so, in a later accident, it could damage and injure the persons inside the vehicle. Here at Autocraft Bodywerks, we always repair the vehicle back to OEM procedure standards, and we make sure that the vehicle's fixed right and nothing's wrong with the vehicle once it leaves our facility. Back doing so to where the vehicle looks like it's never been in an accident and you couldn't even tell that it's been repaired before. Typically, a shop that does not do the blueprinting process will go based off of the insurance's original estimate and typically misses a whole lot of damage additional that is caused by the wreck. In doing so, it does slow down the process as far as getting the insurance company in line later on, or whenever the vehicle is being put back together or repaired, waiting on additional parts that weren't caught during the blueprinting process. So when we blueprint a car, we do it thoroughly and make sure that we get all the correct parts. Hi, my name is Noel Ramirez here at Autocraft Bodywerks. I'm the chief blueprinter, and if your vehicle's in an accident, we'll make sure that we fix it right.